Alrighty, welcome back to the channel. Wanted to do a little bit of a test. Just got a new fancy schmancy media mod for the GoPro, and so I just wanted to give a chance to see how that works relative to the standard microphone. So we'll do a couple of little tests. First one will be using the standard GoPro microphone, and then I'll swap the adapters, put the media mod on, and then shoot essentially a quick audio test of the media mod, and we'll see how that works. And then yeah, we'll come back. All right, this first test is using the standard GoPro. I'm just using the standard GoPro built-in microphone, just kind of getting a sense of what the audio sounds like, and just do a quick sound check. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, let's go ahead and try the media mod and see how that's. All right, let's go for test number 2. This is now using the GoPro, but with the media mod. I'm using the front microphone and just wanted to get a sense of what the difference in quality, if you could tell a difference in quality between using the standard mic and the new shotgun mic of the media mod. So we'll do a similar countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we'll come back for some closing thoughts. Thanks. All right, well, that was kind of fun. So what we saw there was really a test of the internal microphone on the GoPro, which actually I'm surprised it was actually not that bad. Right? It sounded pretty good, certainly within this kind of protected space of being inside. Switching that over to the media mod, I would expect that actually to sound better if we're outside and there's quite a bit of ambient noise and wind and so forth. I guess we'll have to do that test next. Certainly within kind of the office space here, I can't say that there was a ton of difference between the two mics, but I think that the media mod will give me a few more options in terms of using external microphones as well as using lavs and things of that sort. So I think it's a good investment from that regard. But with regards to using it here in my office, the internal and external mic, yeah, kind of sounded about the same. Love to get your thoughts. Anyway, we'll talk soon, and peace out.